Just heading up the chair now for the Maxxis Flow Motion Cup GoPro course preview for the Cannonball Mountain Bike Festival. Okay, just off the start now for the Maxxis Flow Motion Cup, the GoPro course preview for the Cannonball Mountain Bike Festival. This new section, fast and fluid, some nice big bank corners, some nice inside lines, nice inside there from the gas man. Utilising the Kosciuszko flow trail, a little bit more gravity inspired this one. Okay, rolling on the lower slopes now. The last overpass before we get onto the new lower section. This section really nice bank berms, can really hook in. So a lot of time to be made. Not much pedalling now in this section. You just want to hold your corner speed basically and just tip her in and let her go. It's going to be awesome trail conditions for the Cannonball Mountain Bike Festival.